Hi, this is Xiaomi 13T Pro and I'll show you how to check battery temperature with Ampere app on this device. So first we should open the Play Store app and in the search bar we should enter the Ampere. So now we should get this application, that's why tap the install button and wait a couple of seconds. After that just tap to open the app and click to yes I agree, pick close and tap to OK. After that you could see here information about your battery temperature and in my case that's 31 and 8 degrees. And also we got here more information like the battery health, capacity, voltage and more other info. So that's it, thank you for watching and if you like this video leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.